Everyone, Extreme Crypto here, and we got some big Bitcoin news today. Goldman Sachs offers its first Bitcoin-backed loan. The Goldman Sachs Group offered its first Bitcoin-backed loan, setting another milestone in Wall Street's cryptocurrency adoption. Even more better news coming, but first have a look at Liberium Crypto. It's a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. By social trading, meaning you have the option to follow pro traders trading spot trading on your behalf while your funds stays in your own exchange. All you need to do is subscribe, link down on the bottom, and connect your API keys. 6 different traders currently to choose from. Trading percentages per trade from 1.9% all the way up to 6.4% on closed trades. But let's get back to the news. You can now get a Bitcoin-backed mortgage without a credit score. The Miami-based startup Milo Credit is offering Bitcoin-backed mortgages to allow people to purchase homes without selling their coins. In the US, like most countries, selling crypto for fiat is a taxable event. This means any gains or losses since the purchase are realized at the point of sale and therefore taxed, which is due to the relevant authority. If the crypto holder has realized gains upon selling, the tax due could be sizable. Crypto-backed mortgages. Bloomberg reports that the Florida man Vincent has secured a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage secured by part of his Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings. Milo Credit's mortgage claims to let homeowners leverage your crypto to invest in real estate. Our strategy matches yours. Keep holding. According to their website, rates are as low as 3.95%. With the crypto held in custody by Gemini and Coinbase, 2 of the biggest exchanges out there. The crypto mortgage offering goes up to $5 million, but requires at least 100% of the loan value in crypto to secure against the loan. Unlike traditional mortgages that can go as low as 3.5% on the loan value, the crypto mortgage requires you to hold the total value of the property you are purchasing in crypto. The crypto is then lent in sub-accounts with Gemini and Coinbase to ensure that all coins are kept separately. According to Milo's website, the process is faster than the traditional mortgage application. You can also pay your mortgage payments using stable coins, but not Bitcoin and Ethereum. Panama follows El Salvador as it plans to adopt Bitcoin and other crypto like XDC network as legal tender. Cryptocurrency adoption throughout the world is growing quickly. Panama follows its footprints of other Central American countries like El Salvador, Lugano, and Honduras. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, including XDC network, will soon be accepted in Panama after the National Assembly passes the initial steps. Legalization that attempts to control the usage of crypto assets in the area was approved in the first debate. It's crucial for Panama because it aims to provide legal stability to crypto assets, says Gabriel, a congressman and one of the law advocates. We're seeing it in South America, more and more adoption. Even the continent of Africa has started adopting crypto and Bitcoin. The US Labor Department has grave concerns about Fidelity's plan for Bitcoin in the 401k retirement plans, Wall Street Journal reports. Fidelity Investments plans to allow the inclusion of Bitcoin in its operated 401k accounts is facing headwinds from the US Labor Department, which regulates company-sponsored retirement plans, according to a report from the Wall Street Journal. We have grave concerns what Fidelity has done. Ali, Acting Assistant Secretary of the Employee Benefit Security, told the Wall Street Journal. 𝙏𝙗𝙖 highlighted the speculative nature of the cryptocurrency and the hype around the fear of missing out as reasons his department is concerned about the move. Fidelity announced earlier this week it plans to offer Bitcoin as an investment option for its 401k managed accounts. The financial giant managed retirement accounts for 23,000 companies in the US. Fidelity caps Bitcoin holdings at 20% of the account value. Kumar has said that crypto has intriguing use cases but needs maturing before it's suitable to be placed into a retirement savings account. For the average American, the need for retirement savings in their old age significant, he quoted and said, "We are not talking about millionaires and billionaires that have a ton of other assets to draw down." Fidelity said that its Bitcoin offering represents a continued commitment to evolving and broadcasting its digital assets offering amidst steadily growing demand on digital assets across the segment. Now, in my opinion regarding this, it's my retirement, it's your retirement. It's giving your control because you need to decide if you want to do the 20% in crypto. And it's depending on your employer if they'll match it. I think it's an ideal opportunity. Crypto is new and it's only starting. Putting a small portion in doesn't need to be 20%, but it gives the opportunity for massive growth as the adoption of crypto keeps on gaining momentum. A mysterious Bitcoin whale acquires more than $71 million in Bitcoin in just 1 week. The first largest Bitcoin whale in the crypto world continues to feast as it makes more massive purchases of Bitcoin. Data tracking website BitInfoChart says that this same whale is the biggest non-exchange entity in existence and has acquired a staggering 1,800 Bitcoin in the past 7 days. Retailers are selling and whales keep on buying. With Bitcoin currently trading at 39,854, the whale's wallet now has additional 71 million worth of Bitcoin. The total contents of the wallet are 125,000 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $5 billion. The unnamed wallet has been on a colossal feeding frenzy this month, including scooping up 2,822 Bitcoin last week for over 117 million. As BitInfoCharts document, the wallet shows a general trend of buying Bitcoin in the hundreds and then every so often sending 1,500 Bitcoin to wallets affiliated with the US crypto exchange Coinbase. The whale has been very active throughout 2022 after a comparative quiet fourth quarter of last year. Popular crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen observed that the whale appears to trade Bitcoin when it's within a certain price range, buying dips and selling local highs. You can see they've been predictably adding to their stack here in the low 40s and upper 30 levels. Now the reason this is interesting is because it hasn't that long ago when they were talking some of the table. We need to understand that some people like to swing trade the market, some people trade the ranges, and when it gets to the top of the range, they sell, and when it goes to the bottom of the range, they buy. If we go all the way back, to just give a little more history, you can go back to November and you can see in fact they took 1,500 Bitcoin off the table at $67,000. It's a whale that's using Bitcoin to swing trade and make massive gains. Imagine buying in the low $40,000, high $30,000 mark and selling at $67,000 a Bitcoin. as we're seeing every day, as we go over the newest Bitcoin news, the adoption keeps on growing and getting bigger and bigger. What's your thoughts on the cryptocurrency? What's your thoughts on Bitcoin? Are you hodling or are you panic selling? Have a great one. Take care.